Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, and all traders who decide to join this webinar. As I have seen several people from the newcomers have joined this webinar, and that is good. That is my trading group is spreading around the world. Let's say like this, step by step. So this webinar is gonna be mostly for the newcomers to my trading group. Okay, for those who just joined our webinar, yes, and do not know what is going on, my name is Anthony Kross. I am the senior trader of the Finmax, and I have made this webinar for the newcomers to the Finmax as the broker itself, and especially to work with me in my trading group. Okay, so to start with, Finmax, that is regulated broker, exists over almost 5 years on the market, and myself, I am working here since like 4 years, and I have experience of almost 8 years on the financial market. So like later on we can come back to my story, but this webinar and the topic of the webinar, I would like to devote a little bit and in a more than a little bit situation to the analysis, technical analysis, to the indicators which guys we need to use, yes, in order to make our trading pretty much different. Okay, so to start with, we're gonna start from the simplest one till the hardest one, if we are going to have patience and time for this, because very soon American session and American market will start. Okay, so I am going to start with a stochastic indicator, as you have seen here. Stochastic indicator is a widely used indicator for the analysis of the past story, what used to be with the following asset and many other words. Okay, what I'm using it for, okay, to see what used to be in the past. Okay, and if I can rely on this past in my future trades. I'm using for my trading, I'm not using too much indicators in order to avoid messy chart. Yes, I'm using in most cases only fundamental analysis and technical. But right now, if you want, you can repeat the trades after me, but mind your volume. Okay, as almost all beginners, like they started with 5,000. Okay, like if you don't have the 5,000 on the account, so you cannot repeat the trades after me. Mind your volume regarding your account amount. Okay, so USD right now it is showing me almost 20% of the stochastic indicator. By the way, I literally just not forgot to change the language from the previous speaker. Just give me one moment. So what I was saying, to find the stochastic indicator, we need to go to the field insert in the your MetaTrader. It is visible here. Then you are putting indicators and then oscillators, and we need only stochastic oscillator with 20, 10 and 5. Once again 20, 10 and 5. Okay, and signal, I'm not using signal line. Okay, I'm avoiding it because I'm a better signal than any other signal lines. Okay, so press on OK. So, and you will have the same as I am. Colors you can define for yourself whatever you want. When it is, simply saying, when it is 20%, okay, if this line is 20%, it is indication for the buy. Okay, when this line is 80%, it is indication for the sell. Okay, in the first case, it is showing you when the market is oversold. Okay, so people would like to buy more. Yes, it is just for you to have, let's say, a breach. Yes, between 20% to something that you can easily remind. Okay. So what I was saying, 20% it is sell, 80%, oh you see, 20% it is buy, 80% it is sell. Okay, and that is the one which we can pay attention to if we are trading with the technical analysis. Okay, but myself, I'm usually seeing, like you can see when I was trading it, I was making a lot of level analysis here, and the level analysis, it works perfectly. Okay, but in this case we can see already the level. okay, which was, let me even put the mark for you, okay, so you can see this level. I'm gonna do not 40 lots, I'm not sure what is this. I'm gonna make one lot for the buy direction, okay, buy direction, because I'm sure that I have the level analysis, I have the stochastic, I'm getting more confident because of the indicators which I'm receiving, like I have stochastic and I have level analysis here. Okay, you can see that level it was reached, so I can expect to have the same figure as here. Okay, you can see also the level here. Like take profit, as for me, it is not the most important in a trading, but still I like to use it so I can make my take profit based on the technical analysis either. Okay, so we are going to wait. Let me close some not necessary trades which is not making me any mood. Okay, I'm still having. Okay, so to make other examples, okay, I'm gonna make the Euro USD. You can see that it is almost reaching the same level, 80%. So still it has space to rise up till this level at least. But what I'm thinking about, yes, is that one moment, we can have even till that point. Probably you can see even my take profit. We can consider that that Euro USD is going to rise up like one level, second level, until the third level here. Okay, it is more mess at this point, yes, but still. Later with the time when we're gonna get to this subject, yes, we can easily understand that that is the mark for the take profit which is possible for the Euro USD. Okay, so I will use the one lot for the volume to make it higher. Okay, the same I will use as my first trade, around the same. So in this case, you can see that stochastic is not even close to the 80%. So I still see and I still do believe that it is going to rise up till this point. Okay, let us move on a little bit, guys. So I can also do some trading on the crude oil. Yes, as I have done in the past, I have the trade. So let me choose some other currency pair because I think that is what everybody likes when they come into the market. So the currency trade in AUD, yes, Australian dollar, Canadian dollar. We can see stochastic. We can see also the level analysis here. Okay, continuous level analysis here. Let me mark this for you guys. 1, 2. Okay, it breaks. Yeah, you can see that it's like this going. Okay, let us take a look on the other chart. It is the highest point since the very long time. We can see that Australian dollar is getting much more stronger than Canadian dollar. So in this situation, I'm gonna do the buy operation because you can see the correction ended. Oh, okay, guys, I was looking at this beforehand and I was thinking why I couldn't build the proper figure. Okay, so the figure is like this. Okay, the 3 and it will continue as 4 and so on and so on. One level, my god, sorry, one level, second, third, and is going to be fourth over there. So we can still consider it as the trading. We can see that it's going upper, making a correction, going up, making correction. So the same I'm expecting here. We'll use also minimum volume for my account. We'll use the take profit the way I expect it to be here as the fourth level. Okay, highest point, let's call it like this. Okay, so we will not mix anything. Okay, let us move on. We can see that stochastic here, yes, to summarize, we can see stochastic here is in the bottom, yes, and started to rise up. So we get into the train exactly at the time. So that is what I consider. Let us move on still to the Australian dollar. I want to have something better than this in terms of trading. Let us look on the different levels. Okay, we have here nothing. Okay, if it is going to be our level, guys. It was playing at this area for a very long time, yes, and still didn't break since 15th of June. Right now it is August, guys, so I think no reason at the moment, yes, to break it level, so I will use also for the buy direction. Okay, that is, you see, like that works. Level analysis, it works, okay, more than anything else into the trading, yes. And of course news, I'm having plenty projects, guys, which we can bring us at least 20-30% from our deposits, so that is also great. But myself right now, I'm concentrating on giving you a little bit of studying so you can understand what we need to do in order to make money here. So what I do expect, yes, from our Audi CHF is that it's going to go higher than even the level of stochastic right now. 80% is gonna go to the 100% at least, and that is because right now in the Australia we don't have so much coronavirus cases. The economy is growing, and all around the world economies are growing at the moment. So guys, we are gonna go back from the quarantine, despite the fact that a lot of people are dying right now. That is there is a good fact that we are gonna go back soon, because no other economy cannot be on the same level for the very long time. For instance, UK, yes, the country can live 6 months on the quarantine. Yes, they will have enough money on their budget to sustain this quarantine. But if we're gonna take some not so much luxuries, I'm sorry to say luxurious countries in Europe, yes, they will not survive more than 1 or 2 months. So no point of thinking that quarantine is gonna be one more time or something like that, at least not in Europe. Okay, so stochastic indicator. Okay, what I want us to do, yes, in the beginning, stochastic indicator. Everybody who is watching this video, yes, during my translation, okay, during my online, okay, broadcast, I want you guys to make insert, yes, add stochastic oscillator, okay, stochastic oscillator, put 20, 10 and 5, okay, 20, 10 and 5, signal none, and press on OK. And based on the time frame 4 hours, I want you to look the trades, okay, whether it is gonna go up or whether it is gonna go down, okay. So if it is 80, you are trading for sell. Yes, you can see 80 sell, 20 buy. Do the same, guys. Look for the whole assets from the list. We have 800 assets, guys. Concentrate right now on the currency pairs, okay, and do this, okay. Take a look here, okay. For instance, right now we have 80%. I can do sell trade, okay, based on the stochastic, and I do have confidence in that because it is reaching the highest point, and like you see the candle size, they were without any correction. On the market, nothing can go only up or nothing can go only down, okay. That is the logic of whole trading, and right now we need to have a correction for the Audi USD, and stochastic is the proof for that. The more confident, the more proofs you have, the more confident it's gonna be, and the better result is going to be from our trades. And that is what we are here for, guys. We need to have better result from the trades which we are doing, okay. So on this note, I would like to finish our webinar. I gave you the home task, guys. Look for the stochastic, okay, and those groups we will make if it is needed, okay, so you can study more. I want you to be concentrated on the stochastic indicator, okay, and if you need any help, you know, you can contact me anytime on the WhatsApp, Skype or email, or even on the phone. due to my availabilities, I will reply you as soon as possible. So in this situation, I wish you all the best. Okay, if you have any questions, I am waiting for you to my email or Skype. Okay, stay in the money, guys, and let's make our work more and more productive.